Now, morning we discussed, I'll just repeat some important key points. Factorials. Then I discussed highest powers. Highest powers when the given number is a prime number we discussed. When the given number is a composite number we discussed. Right. Let me go through the morning slides. Reminder based problems when the factorials are divided by a number. Reminder based problems when the factorials are divided by a given number. 3 questions. We discussed 3 questions based on factorials. Then we discussed how to find out the highest powers for a given number. Then in that one we discussed few least value questions. I am just repeating what all we discussed. N minus 1 factorial is always divisible by n. If n is a composite number except n equivalent to 4. We have also discussed how to use a digital sum in this problem. Highest powers when the given number is a prime number. Divisibility. Highest powers when the factorials are added. Factorials. Highest power of 8, highest power of 49, 98. These are all the questions we discussed. Another model. Different kinds of models. You don't need to refer any textbook. Our video course itself is enough. Highest powers, all the models will be there at one shot. Next one. Thank you for updating beta. Write highest power of 8 in 8 into 16 into 24 into 32 and so on up to 800. N is 8 into 16 into 24 into 32 and so on up to 800. So here it is nothing but 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 hundreds are 800. 8 is multiplied 100 times. So it is 8 power 100 into 100 factorial. 8 into 8, 8 square into 8 cube. 8 power 100 into 100 factorial, which is 2 power 3 power 100 into 100 factorial, which is nothing but 2 power 300 into 100 factorial. In 100 highest power of 2 we will do. So it is nothing but 2 50s are 100, 2 25s are 50, 2 12s are 24, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 10 22 97. So 2 power 300. We will make the question 2 here because I did not discuss the composite number logic. Into 2 power 97 into k. You can also do 8, but I will not do right now. I will go in a proper structure. Answer is 397. Please don't do a mistake. Mistake students might do it is 8 into 100 factorial. It is multiplication. These the mistake students might do. Students might do this mistake. I hope it is clear. 8 is multiplied 100 times. 8 power 100 into 100 factorial. 2 power 300 into 100 factorial. 100 factorial I got 97. 300 plus 97 is 397. Another model. See the models, sir. See the models. One is no factorial. Another is factorial addition. Factorial addition with even numbers. Write same question asked in a different way. This and this Both are same, asking how to find the highest power for prime number. Different models. Another model, highest power of 49 in 50 factorial minus 49 factorial. Right. Now we will discuss what if the given number is a prime composite number. What if the given number is a composite number? Given number is a composite number. Till now we discussed given number is a prime number. What if the given number is a composite number? N is 50 factorial minus 49 factorial. N factorial is nothing but n into n minus 1 factorial. So 50 factorial is 50 into 49 factorial minus 49 factorial. 49 factorial into 50 minus 1. 50 minus 1 is 49. 49 into 49 factorial. 49, there is one power. Every composite number is derived from prime number. Every composite number is derived from prime number. So 49 is nothing but 7 square. First do it for 7. 7 sevens are 49, 7 ones are 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. So 49 factorial is 7 power 8 into k. But I require 49. So this will become 7 square power 4 into k. Here it is 4. Here there is 1. Here there is 1. 1 plus 4, answer is 5. I hope the idea is clear. 1 plus 4, answer is 5. Just look at the question, sir. Highest power of 49 in 50 factorial minus 49 factorial. 50 factorial is 50 into 49 factorial minus 49 factorial. 49 factorial. 50 minus 1 is 49. So it is 49 into 49 factorial. In 49 there is 1 power of 49. In 49 factorial, find out 49. 49 is a composite number which is 7 square. 7 sevens are 49, 7 ones are 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. So 49 factorial is 7 power 8 into k. 7 square power 4. Here 4 and here it is 1. What is the answer for this question? 5. Answer for this question is 5. Idea is clear. This logic is to find out what if the given number is a composite number. What if the given number is a composite number? What if the given number is a composite number? Next one. Same question, another model. Same model, another question. Find the highest power of 98 in 99 factorial minus 98 factorial. N factorial is nothing but n into n minus 1 factorial. 99 factorial is nothing but 99 into 99 minus 1, 98 factorial. So n is nothing but 99 into 98 factorial minus 98 factorial. 98 factorial common. 99 minus 1 is 98. 98 already the power of 1 is there. So it is nothing but highest power of 98 in 98 factorial. 98 is nothing but 98 as a power of prime basis is 7 square into 2. So let me do it for 7. So it is nothing but 7 1s are 7, 7 14, 4s are 28, 7 2s are 16. So 98 factorial. First I got it as 7 power 16 into 2. 2 anyway it will be highest, but for sake I will write it. 2 49s are 98, 2 24s are 48, 2 12s are 2 6s are 2 3s are 1s are 10, 22, 46, 95. 2 power 95 into k1. K is the remaining prime bases. So it is 7 square into 2 power 8 into 2 power 87 into k. Here there is 8. Here there is 1. So 8 plus 1. What will be the answer? Answer will be 9. Answer is 9. Here there is 1 power of 98. Here I got 8 powers of 98. One concept, two different models. Listen to the class, buy the course, watch it as many number of times, pause it, play it, rewind it as many number of times. You can download the videos in your mobile. In case if you are a working employee, when you are traveling, when you are there in office, you can download the video, whatever you want to watch it, switch it off, switch off the internet, watch it as many number of times. Idea clear? 8 plus 1, 9. Another model. Highest power of 4 in 10 factorial. 4 is a composite number. 4 is a composite number. 4 is a composite number. 4 is nothing but 2 square. So 10 factorial. 10 factorial if I take 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 5 plus 2 plus 1 is 8. 10 factorial is 2 power 8 into k1. Which is nothing but 2 square power 4 into k1. 4 power 4. What is the highest power of 4 in 10 factorial? Answer is 4. Convert the composite number into a prime base and do it. Convert the composite number into a prime base and do it. Convert the composite number into prime base and do it. I hope the logic is clear. This is a very easy question. This is a very easy question. Next one. 187 factorial is divisible by 15 power n. Reminder 1. 187 factorial divided by 15 power n. It is 0. What does that mean? This is nothing but asking highest power of. This is nothing but asking highest power of 15 in 187. Highest power of 15 in 187. 15 is a composite number. 15 is a composite number. So 15 is nothing but 3 into 5. Then I will discuss that which number to be directly taken. First I will do generic method. If I divide by 3. 3 6 are 18. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 60. 3 6 are. 3 2s are. 62 plus 20, 82, 88, 90. 90. So 187 factorial, it is nothing but 3 power 90. 5. 5 how much we got? We will see. 5 3s are 15, 37. 5 7s are 35. 5 7s are 35. 5 1s are 5. 44, 45. 5 power 45 into k1. But I require only 15. So it is nothing but take the smallest value. 3 into 5 power 45 into 3 power 45 into k1. 15 power 45. What is the answer for this question? Answer for this question is nothing but 45. I hope the idea is clear. Answer for this question is nothing but 45. The structure is extremely important. Otherwise, only if you discuss high level without knowing the basic and intermediate level, it will be very difficult. I hope it is clear. 15 is, sir, can I directly take 5 and I can do the answer? Yes, you can do it directly by taking 5, which I will explain little later. I hope it is clear. We discussed how to find out the highest power if the given number is a prime number, how to find out the highest power if the given number is a composite number. Similar, one more question. Each model minimum 2 questions so that it will be crystal clear to you. 122 factorial is divisible by 6 power n. 122 factorial divided by 6 power n. Remainder is 0, which is nothing but highest power of 6. highest power of 6 in 122 factorial. 6 is nothing but 2 into 3. So for 122, if I take 261s are, 230s are, 215s are, 7s are, 3s are, 1s are, 11, 26, 56, 127. 122 factorial is 2 power 127 into 3. 3 how much it will be, we will see. 340s are, 313s are, 34s are, 31s are. 5 plus 13, 18, 18 plus 40, 58. 3 power 58 into K1. We require 6. So it is nothing but 2 into 3 power 58 into 2 power 69 into K1. 6 power 58. Answer is 58. Answer is 58. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. Idea is clear. 2 questions based upon divisibility by 6 power n or 15 power n. This question and this question, same model. This question and this question is an introductory question. This question and the previous question, they are of the same model. Multiple concepts we will discuss it in the class. Another one, what if the factorial is not given in the question? N equivalent to, see the another model. No need to refer any textbook, sir. Entire questions with Anil Nayar's way of solving will be there in your video course. N equivalent to 91 into 92 into 93 and so on up to 100. Highest power of 12. First of all, it is not in factorial format. Multiply and divide till 90. 1, 2, 3 till 90 into 91, 92, 93 till 100 divided by 1, 2, 3 till 90. Convert into a factorial format. 1 to 100 it is nothing but 100 factorial. 1 to 90 is nothing but 90 factorial. We require highest power of 12. 12 is nothing but 2 square into 3 power 1. So first let us do it for 2 in 100. 2 50s are 100. 2 25s are 50. 2 12s are. 2 6s are. 2 3s are. 2 1s are. 10, 20, 2, 47, 97. 2 power 97 into, for 3 it will be 3 33s are, 3 11s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are, 3 power 48 into K1 divided by, for 90 how much we will get? 2 45s are, 2 22s are, 2 11s are, 2 5s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are. 5 plus 2 plus 1, 8, 19, 41, 86. 2 power 86 into 3 it will be 3 30s are, 3 10s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are, 40, 43, 44. 3 power 44 into K2, which is nothing but 2 power 11 into 3 power 4 into K3. I want it for 12. 12 is nothing but 2 square into 3. 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. So I cannot even take 5 also, it will come. So I will take 4. So it is 2 cube into 2 cube. I hope it is clear, right? 2 cube into 2 power 8, 2 cube into K3. So answer for this question is 4. Another beautiful question. Convert this number which is not there in the factorial format in the factorial format. In the factorial format. Yes, Harsha, right? The logic is clear. 2 and 3, right? This is what will happen if you go through the local teachers. Suppose why I am discussing like this is, if I ask a question number of zeros at the end, you will say it as it is nothing but the highest power of 5. which is a mistake in few cases. I don't want to tell that case. If anybody has taught you that number of zeros at the end is only the highest power of 5, that is partially right. That is not always right. Right? I hope it is clear, right? Always it is good to do it. If you go by the 3, sometimes the stuck, you might get little struck if it is highest power of 72. For this problem it might work, for in other problems it may backfire. Otherwise I myself would have done it, right? You might be preparing for the first time. I am preparing students from the last 14 years. I am sure somebody would have asked me the same doubt in 2008, 9, 10, 11. I hope the idea is clear. Idea is clear. Please write down this line. I will explain this line in the second session. Number of zeros at the end. Number of zeros at the end is not always, please write down this line, is not always highest power of 5. Second session I will discuss the proof. Number of zeros at the end is not always the highest power of 5. Most of the local teachers, right, unexperienced teachers, they will teach like this. That is where most of the students get into trouble. Number of zeros at the end is not always the highest power of 5. Now, another question. N equivalent to 41 into 42 into 43 and so on up to 50. So multiply and divide by 50. 1 into 2 till 40 into 41, 42 till 50 divided by 1 into 2, 2 till 40. So this is nothing but 50 factorial divided by 40 factorial. 15 is nothing but 3 into 5. So here it is nothing but 50 is 3 16s are, 3 5s are, 3 1s are, 3 power 22. 5 is nothing but 5 10s are, 5 2s are, 5 power 12 into K1 divided by 40 is nothing but 3 13s are, 3 4s are, 3 1s are, 3 power 18 into 40 is nothing but 5 8s are, 5 1s are, 5 power 9 into K2, 3 power 4 into 5 power K5, 3 into K3. So these 3 into 5 power 3 into 3 power 1 into K3. Answer is 3. Answer is 3. I hope the idea is clear. What Harsha said in this question also it is valid. You can take only the power of 5. You can take only the power of 5. Convert the numbers which are not in factorial format into this number. I hope the logic is clear. I hope the logic is clear, right? Till 40. 50 factorial by 40 factorial. Idea is clear. Next slide. Find the highest power of 8 in 40 factorial. 8 is a composite number. 8 is a composite number. 8 is a 2 cube. So 40 is nothing but 2 20s are, 2 10s are, 2 5s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are. 8 18 38. 40 factorial is 2 power 38 into K1, which is 2 cube power 12 into 2 square into K1. Answer is nothing but 12. Idea is clear, right? We have already discussed this question. Now let me do a recap of these. Are few more questions are there. Now see here, let me do a recap of what we discussed right from the beginning. First we discussed, this was the session that we discussed highest powers. We will do minimum 3 sessions, highest powers, 3 sessions. First we did what is the definition of a factorial. Then we did how to find the remainder when the factorials are divided by 6. How to find the remainder when the factorial is divided by 18. 3 questions based on 5 factorial. N minus 1. N minus 1. What is the concept that we discussed? Divide the number as a power of prime bases. Take the highest prime base. Right? One more logic. N minus. What is the logic that we discussed? N minus 1 factorial is always divisible by n. N minus 1 factorial is always divisible by n if n is a composite number. If n is a composite number except n equivalent to 4. This is the concept that we discussed. Then how to find out the answer by using a digital sum and by using divisibility rules, right? How to use the similarity in a number system logic, how to find the high factors for a factorial, how to find out the highest power if the given number is a prime number, given number is a prime number. The same question, what if the question is asked by divisibility? Highest power of 2 when the factorials are added. One intermediate level question, one advanced level question. What if the numbers are multiplied? How to find out the highest power of 2, highest power of a composite number? How to find out the composite number with the divisibility concept? Highest power of 12. I hope it is clear. Till now we discussed. Next one, find the highest power of 4 factorial. 4 factorial is nothing but 24. 24 in 50 factorial. 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which is nothing but 2 cube into 3. 2 cube into 3. So we have to do it for 2 and 3. 2 25s are 50. 2 12s are 25. 2 6s are 2 3s are 2 1s are 10, 20, 2, 47. 50 factorial is 2 power 47 into 50. 50 will be 3 16s are, 3 5s are, 3 1s are. 3 power 22 into k. So 2 cube into 3. 3. Suppose, now this is where I said, Harsha, don't take the highest prime base. Here you will understand it. Directly you might tick mark the answer as 22, but it is incorrect. So it will be only be 15. 2 square into 3 power 7 into k. I hope it is clear. Here it will backfire better. Right? Because if I take 22, 3s are 66. So answer is nothing but 50. Harsha, I hope it is clear. That is where the experience of the teacher matters, other than just drawing a stupid hasty conclusions. 50 factorial is 3743. 2 power 47 into 3 power 22 into k, which is 2 cube into 3 power 15. 3 5s are 15, 45. You cannot take 22. Harsha, I hope it is clear. Another question, right, where the highest prime base does not necessarily give the answer. Idea clear, right? Next one. Highest power of 30 in 100 factorial. 30 is 2 into 3 into 5. 100 factorial is, already we did it for 100. We got 2 50s are, 2 25s are, 2 12s are, 2 6s are, 2 3s are, 2 1s are. 10, 20, 2, 47. Add all this. If I add all this, 2 power 4, 10, 22, 2 power 97 into 3, it will become 3 33s are, 3 11s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. 44, 48. 3 power 48 into 5 20s are, 5 4s are. So it will become 5 power 24 into k1. I want for 30. 30 is 2 into 3 into 5 power 24. Remaining k1, k2 something I will get. So answer is nothing but 24. Answer is nothing but 24. Clear? Just listen to the classes. My sincere suggestion as a teacher is go for the video course, watch the class once, twice or thrice, the structure, right? Not every time you listen to the first time you will understand everything, right? After attempting the watching the videos, attempt a test, there is a way to clear competitive exams. Please follow that way. Either listen to a doctor telling you take this tablet, or you be a patient and become unhealthy, right? No patient will compromise his health meeting a bad doctor. Then why are you wasting your time listening to a local teachers, inexperienced teachers who cannot explain the why and how, and wasting your time? Those of you are new to my classes, right? 5 years I was the head of academics for entire South India for Career Launcher. Entire South India academics used to be controlled by me, and that too at the age of 27. Still you wanted to listen to another teacher, right? Highest power of 16 in 8 factorial. 16 is 2 power 4. 8 is nothing but 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are. 8 factorial is 2 power 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 7 into k. So I want 2 power 4 power 1 into 2 cube into k, right? Into 2 cube. So answer is nothing but 1. There is no question of highest prime base here. Unless you solve like this, you will not understand this. I hope it is clear. 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 7. 2 power 7 into k. 2 power 4 into 2 power 3 into k. 16 I require 1. Idea clear, right? Next one. I hope this question you can solve it, right? Highest power of 7 factorial. 2 factorials are there. 7 factorial is nothing but 7 into 6 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 7. How many powers of 2 are there? 2 3s are, 2 1s are. 3 plus 1 4. 2 power 4. 3 how many will be there? 3 2s are, 3 square. 5 how many will be there? 5 1s are. 7 how many will be there? 7 power 1. We have to find the highest power of this number. Highest power of this number in 80 factorial. So 80 first let us do for 2. 240, 220, 2 10s are, 2 5s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are. 5 7 8, 18, 30, 40, 60, 70, 78. So 80 factorial is nothing but 2 power 78. 3 it will be. 3 26 are, 3 8s are, 3 2s are, 26, 34, 36. 3 power 36. 5 it will be. 5 16s are, 5 3s are, 5 power 19 into 7 it will be. 7 11s are, 7 1s are, 7 power 12. So this will be, I want 2 power 4. First let me take that value what we require. 2 power 4 I want, 3 square I want, 5 and 7 I want. How much I can take? 4 19s are, 76. 19 2s are 38 I will get. So I will take total. 1 only I will take. 1 only I will. 5 power 19 into how much it is? 5 power 19. 2 how much we got? 60, 70, 78. Here it is 36. Here it is 19. Here it is 12. So I can take entire 12. 7 power 12 came. 5 power 12 came. 24 comes under 36. 48 comes under 36. So what is the answer for this question? Answer for this question is 12. I hope the idea is clear. Find the highest power for 24 in 150 factorial. 24 in 150 factorial. Hari Pavan, you can message me after the class. I will help you out. My team is on off today. Today is Sunday. 80500 67891. Please message me after the class. Haripavan, please take a number. We will start the class. Highest power of 24 in 150 factorial. 24 is nothing but 2 cube into 3 power 1. 150, first do it with 2. 275s are, 237s are, 218s are, 29s are, 24s are, 22s are, 21s are. 150 factorial is nothing but 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 16, 34, 71, 146. 2 power 146 into 3, it will be 350s are, 316s are, 3 5s are, 3 1s are. Add all this. 50, 66, 71, 72. 3 power 72 into k. So this will be 2 cube into 3. How much we can take? Suppose if I take 72, 72, 3s are 216. I will take 3, 3 4s are 12, 26, 48. I will take 3 48s are 144, 3 power 48. Remaining is 3 power 24 into k. So these nothing but 8 3s are 24. So answer for this question is 48. I hope the idea is clear. 2 cube into 3 power 48 into 3 power 24 into k. So 48 3s are 144. 144 means another 2 square will come. Anyway, we require 24. Highest power of 24 in 150 factorial. Answer is 48. Answer is 48. I hope the idea is clear. This idea is clear. Next one. Highest power of 72 in 100 factorial. 72 is 2 cube into 3 square. 100, it is nothing but 250s are, 225s are, 212s are, 26s are, 23s are, 21s are. 75, 87, 93, 96, 97. 100 factorial is nothing but 2 power 97 into, here it is 100, so it will be 3. 33s are, 3 11s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. 44, 48. 3 power 48 into k. I require 72, which is 2 cube into 3 square. Power should be 24. 2 24s are 48. 24 3s are 72. So remaining is 2 power 25 into k. So 72. Answer is nothing but 24. Answer is nothing but 24. Idea clear? These two with a little prime bases more than 1. 72 is 2 cube into 3 square. 24 is 2 cube into 3 power 1. Idea is clear, right? Highest power of 24 in 150 factorial. Highest power of 72 in 100 factorial. These both the things are clear, right? Next, advanced level question. Advanced level question. Listen carefully. Find the highest power of 12 in 11 power 972 minus 1. Madhuri Pratap, you need to attend the session 1 to understand it clear. You joined at session 2. Session 1 already we discussed 15 to 20 problems on how to find out the highest powers. Number is nothing but 11 power 972 minus 1. Highest power of 12. 11 can be written as 12 minus 1 power 972 minus 1. I hope it is clear. X plus y power n. Binomial expansion is nc0 plus nc1 x y power n minus 1 plus nc2 x square y power n minus 2 and so on. So if I do it, 972 c0 12 power 972. Next one, plus 972 minus 1 power 0 plus 972 C1, 12 power 971, these minus 1, and so on up to 972 C 970, 12 power 972 minus these 1, 972 minus 970 is 12 square, and it is minus 1 power 970 plus 972 C 971. Then I will tell you a shortcut. 12 power 1 minus 1 power 971 plus 972 C 972, 1 minus 1. Now if you observe, this one plus 1 minus 1 is cancelled. What are the other numbers which are present? Other numbers which are present are, this is the first one, this is the second one, and so on up to, this is the 972 C 970 12 square, and the next one is this one. Now if you observe, this is 1, this is also 1, this is the entire number, this is divisible by 12, 12 square is also divisible by 12, 12 cube is also divisible by 12, 12 power 972 is also divisible by 12. Are you all with me, right sir? 972 C0, 972 C 971. See, NCR is nothing but NCN minus R. 972 C 971 is 972 C 1, which is 972. 972 is 12 into 81. So here 112 will be there. 12 into 12, 12 square. Entire this number is divided by 12 square. What is the highest power of 12? Answer is 2. Answer is 2. You don't need to do any of these approach. This is a binomial expansion approach. This is a very cumbersome approach. Avoid this. Answer is simple, nothing but multiply the power with this value. 972 into 12. So 12 into 81 into 12. 12 square. What is the highest power? Highest power is nothing but 12. You don't need to do entire these binomial expansion. You don't need it. You don't need it. It's a simple point. I am putting it in the new slide. 11 power 972 minus 1. 11 is 12 minus 1. Power 972 minus 1. It is nothing but highest power of 12 in 12 into 972. 12 into 81. 12 square. Answer is nothing but 2. You don't need to do anything. Just to tell you that you don't need to do anything, I did this process. I hope it is clear. Clear, right? Next we will do one more question so that it will be very clear to you. This is a little advanced level question. We will do one more question, then it will be clear to you. If you want, I will come back to this question little later. This is a very high level mock level question. Suppose if it is highest power of 24 in 5 power 36 minus 1. What is the power of 5 which is closer to 24? 5 square is 25. So it is nothing but 5 square power 18 minus 1. 5 square is 25. 24 plus 1 power 18 minus 1. Answer is nothing but multiply this with this. 18 into 24. 24 is nothing but 12 into 2. 18 2s are 36. 36 is 12 into 3. So highest power of 12 is 2. Answer is directly 2. I hope it is clear, right? Answer is directly 2. Very easy if you know the approach. Very easy if you know the approach. Why it will get eliminated? You can use a binomial expansion. You can use a binomial expansion binomial expansion to get out this proof. Answer is simple, this into this. 18 into 24. 24 is 12 into 2. So 18 into 2 is 36. 36 is 12 into 3. So 12 square into 3. Idea clear? Now write down next one. Number of zeros at the end. Number of zeros at the end. Lot of concepts I'll discuss. Number of zeros at the end. 10 power 1. It is nothing but 1 0 at the end. Number of zeros at the end is also called as trailing zeros. Trailing zeros. In the question, if it is highest power of, I did for 12, the answer is 2. Suppose if it is for the 12, answer is 2. For 24, good that Dharmender has just said, answer is 2. For 24, answer will be 12, 18, now 24. Is there any other cases? 12 2s are 24. 24 answer is 1. Good that you reminded. 12 the answer is 2 and 24 the answer is 1. Is it clear? 12 the answer is 2 and 24 the answer is 1. Just replace the question with 24 with 12. You will get the answer 2. If you want 24, answer is 1. Idea clear, right? Right. Next one. Number of zeros at the end. 10 power 1 is 1 0 at the end. 10 square is 100. 100 has got 2 zeros at the end. 10 cube is 3 zeros at the end. 3 zeros at the end is nothing but the power of 10. 2 zeros at the end is nothing but the power of 2. 1 0 at the end is nothing but the power of 10. Number of trailing zeros. Number of trailing zeros. Number of trailing zeros. Number of zeros at the end is nothing but the highest power of 10. Number of trailing zeros. Number of zeros at the end is nothing but the highest power of 10. Listen carefully, sir. Number of trailing zeros is nothing but the highest power of 10. I hope the concept is clear. Now, first question. First one. 30 factorial ends with dash number of zeros. 30 factorial ends with dash number of zeros. Right? Dash number of zeros. Number of zeros at the end is nothing but the highest power of 10. Highest power of 10 in 30 factorial. 10 is nothing but 2 into 5. 30 it is nothing but 5 6 are 5 1s are 7. It is nothing but 2 15s are 2 7s are 2 3s are 2 1s are 11 26. 30 factorial is nothing but 2 power 26 into 5 power 7 into k. So this is nothing but 2 into 5 power 7 into 2 power 29 into k. 10 power 1 will give you 1 0 at the end. 10 power 2 will give you 2 zeros at the end. 10 power 7 will give you 7 zeros at the end. 10 power 7 will give you 7 zeros at the end. I hope the idea is clear. Number of zeros at the end. Now in some textbooks they will say that highest power of 5. Highest power of 5 only will give the answer. That also you can do it, but before that one, right, let me explain few more question. First question it is clear, right? Next question. Next one. Keep listening carefully, sir. 30 factorial ends with a dash number of zeros. Next one. 100 factorial ends with dash number of zeros. One more example. 100 factorial ends with dash number of zeros. So it is nothing but number of zeros at the end is nothing but highest power of 2 in 100 factorial. Sorry, highest power of 10 in 100 factorial. This for I will boil down to highest power of 5 in 100 factorial. In this case both are same. Why? Because 10 is nothing but 2 into 5. So for 100 factorial, already we did so many times. We got 2 power 97 into 5 power 24 into k. So 2 into 5 power 24 into 2 power 73 into k. Answer is 24. 24 is nothing but the highest power of 5. 5 20s are 100, 5 4s are 20. So answer is 24. So first point please write down. First point please write down. First point, only for factorial based problems. Only for factorial based problems, number of zeros at the end is nothing but the highest power of 5. You don't need to do 2. Now we will write that point in a new slide. I hope it is clear. For factorial problems, determining highest power of 10 is same as highest power of 5. For only factorial based problems, for only factorial based problems, for only factorial based problems, number of trailing zeros, number of trailing zeros, number of trailing zeros is nothing but the highest power of 5. Only for the factorial based problems, number of trailing zeros is nothing but the highest power of 5. Sir, what happens if it is not factorial? That also we will discuss. Only for factorial based problems, number of trailing zeros will be equivalent to highest power of 5. Suppose for example 150 factorial ends with dash number of zeros. 150 factorial ends with dash number of zeros. 150 is nothing but, no need of doing for 10 because it is a factorial. 5 30s are, 5 6s are, 5 1s are. 30 plus 6 plus 1. Answer for this question is 37. Answer for this question is 37. I hope the idea is clear. From here we will develop a lot of beautiful concepts. Few beautiful concepts which you will not find it in the regular textbook. That also I will discuss. That also I will discuss. I hope it is clear. Write one more question. Write one more question. Find the number of trailing zeros. Find the number of trailing zeros in 22 factorial plus 178941 factorial. 22 factorial plus 178941 factorial. So see here, another good question, sir. A number is given. What is the number? Number is 22 factorial plus 17814 factorial. This number is a part of this number. So if I take 22 factorial, I will get 1 plus something remaining. So I want a number of trailing zeros. Number of trailing zeros is nothing but highest power of 5. Highest power of 5. So 1 plus something. 1 plus. So here if you observe 22 factorial into 23 and so on up to 17841 we will get. Here I will get 25. 25 is divisible by 5. 5 plus 1 number. This number is not divisible by 5. 5 plus 1 number. This number is not divisible by 5. That means this is only the highest power of 5. What will be the answer? 5 4s are 20. 5 zeros are 0. Answer is nothing but 4 plus 0. Answer is nothing but 4. I hope the idea is clear. Number of trailing zeros. Number of trailing zeros in factorial. In factorial. in factorial. I hope it is clear. Any doubt in this question? Any doubt in this question? Next, one more question. One more question. Please write down. One more question. I hope this idea is clear, right? Next one. Next one. Please write down one more question. N equivalent to 71, 72, 73, 74, 74, 75. Number of trailing zeros. Number of trailing zeros at the end. Number of trailing zeros at the end. It's a very simple question. Number of trailing zeros at the end. What will be the answer? Number of trailing zeros is nothing but the multiples of 10. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. What is 5 twos are 10? 10. Only one zero is there at the end. So answer is, there is only one zero at the end. There is only one zero at the end. I hope it is clear. Next one. Please write down an important note. Important note. This note is very important. This you will not find it in the regular textbook. Please write down. Note. N factorial ends with x zeros. N factorial ends with x zeros. Then n is always greater than 4x. Please write down this point. N factorial ends with x zeros. N is greater than 4x. I will also discuss a proof for this question. With an example, I will write it here. 100 factorial ends with, how much we got answer? 100 factorial ends with 24 zeros, we got the answer. What did we do? 100 we divided by 5. 5 20s are 100. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 4 is 24. This we wrote it like this. Suppose if I write like this. Number of zeros, if I call it as x. First I divided number by 5. Am I right? First I divided 100 by 25, which is nothing but 20. Then I divided 100 by 25. This is nothing but n by 5 square. If I get any decimal value, I ignored. 2.1, I wrote it as 2. Suppose see here. Suppose if it is 17, if I divide by 5, 5 is 5 3s are 15, 3.2. I eliminated it. Depending upon the value of n, it stopped. Is it clear? If n is 200, it will stop at 5 cube. 200 by 125 is 1. If n is 1000, it will stop at 5 power 4. This value will terminate. Can I say 1 plus 2 plus 3 is always less than 1 plus 2 plus 3 till infinite? So it is always less than, x is less than n by 5, n by 5 square, n by 5 cube, and so on up to infinite. And so on up to infinite. If I take n by 5 common, which is 1 plus 1 by 5, 1 by 5 square, and so on. X is nothing but n by 5 into 5 by a by 1 minus r. Instead of writing here, we will write it here. So it is nothing but x is less than n by 5, a by 1 minus r. 1 by 1 minus 1 by 5. So x is less than n by 4. 4x is less than n. N is greater than 4x. Please make a note of it, sir. Generally in the questions only factorial problems will be given. Number of zeros at the end is asked. But right now what I am doing is I am giving you number of zeros. I am giving you number of zeros at the end. Then I am asking you how to find out the number. Please write down this point. N factorial ends with x zeros. Then n is always greater than 4x. I will tell you its concept when we discuss. Otherwise it will be very lengthy. This entire proof is to tell you that why n should be greater than 4x. Why n should be greater than 4x. N factorial ends with x zeros, then n should be greater than 4x. Suppose, example, write down this point. N factorial ends with x zeros. N factorial ends with x zeros. Then n is greater than 4x. Then n is greater than 4x. Suppose, for example, question n factorial ends with ends with 6 zeros. How many values n can take? How many values n can take? N factorial ends with 6 zeros. How many values n can take? Directly you can solve the question by using this notation. What is the notation? N factorial ends with x zeros. N should be greater than 4x, which is 4 into 6, 24. Check for the next multiple of 5 greater than 24. If I take 25, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 1, 6. That means 25 will be the answer, 26 will be the answer, 27 will be the answer, 28 will be the answer, and 29 also will be the answer. 30 cannot be the answer because 5 6 are 30, 5 1s are 5. 6 plus 1 is 7. Directly we will get totally 5 values. If you, otherwise you have to enumerate it. Otherwise you have to enumerate it. Total 5 values you will get it. Total 5 values you got it. Are you all with me, sir? Total 5 values you got it. Any doubt in any of these logic? Any doubt in any of these logic? N factorial ends with x zeros. N should always be greater than 4x. So n is greater than 24. So what is the multiple of 5 greater than 24? 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So answer is 5 values. Few more questions we will solve based upon this model. This is when the number of zeros are there given. At the end we are finding the number. Suppose one more question. N factorial ends with 17 zeros at the end. 17 zeros at the end. How many values n can take? How many values n can take? How many values n can take? N factorial ends with 17 zeros. Directly we will get the answer. N is greater than 4x. 4 into 17, 68. N is greater than 68. What is the multiple of 5 greater than 68? 70. 70 divided by 5. 5 14s are 70, 5 2s are 10. So we got 16 for 70. 70 will be 16. 70, 71. 72, 73, 74. If I take 75, 5 15s are 5 3s are 15 plus 3 18. Here I got 16, here I got 18, but the question is 17. Answer is no, not possible. No value of n. No value of n. No value of n will give you 17 zeros at the end. No value of n will give you 17 zeros at the end. Dharmender, which thing you typed beta? I somehow ignored your message. Please write, tell me which question that you want to know. So n factorial ends with 17 zeros. N is greater than 4x, 70. 70 will give you 16 zeros. 70 to 74 will give you 16 zeros. But 75 will give you 18 zeros. 17 zeros, it is not possible. Right? I hope the idea is clear, right? Idea is clear. Kindly reply it in the live chat if the idea is clear. 16 to 18. 16, 9. Take the multiple of 5 beta. 69 if I take 5 ones are 5. 19. 5 3s are. Right? 13 only I am getting. 13 only 13. 5 2s are 10. 13 plus 2, 15 only I am getting, Arvind. 15 only I am getting. I need to get 17. I need to get 17. I hope the idea is clear. Next one. Next one. Please write down the next question. Remember this, n factorial ends with x zeros. N factorial ends with x zeros. N factorial ends with x zeros. N is greater than 4x. Next question. N factorial never ends with. N factorial never ends with dash number of zeros. N factorial never ends with dash number of zeros. Another beautiful question, sir. Option A, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let us solve it very logically. Suppose if it is 5. If it is 5. N is greater than 4x. So n is greater than 5 4s are 20. What is the multiple of 5 just greater than 20? 25. 5 5s are 25. 5 plus 1. How many zeros I got? 6. But I want 5 zeros. Not possible. 6 is possible. After 20, what is the multiple of 5? 25. Next one is 30. 5 6 are 30. 5 1s are 5. 6 plus 1 7. It is possible. After 30, what is the next multiple? 5 7s are 35. 5 1s are 5. 7 plus 1, 8 possible. 6 possible, 7 possible, 8 possible. What is not possible? Answer is 5. N factorial never ends with 5 zeros. N factorial never ends with 5 zeros. I hope the idea is clear. N factorial never ends with 5 zeros. Next, another variety. Another variety. Please put a star mark on this question, sir. Star mark on this question. Star mark on this question. M equivalent to product of even numbers from 1 to 25. Product of even numbers from 1 to 25. N is nothing but product of odd numbers from 26 to 200. 26 to 200. M into n gives dash number of trailing zeros. M into n gives dash number of trailing zeros. Extremely important question. M is product of even numbers from 1 to 25. N is the product of odd numbers from 26 to 200. M into n gives a dash number of trailing zeros. Please listen carefully to this question. M is nothing but product of even numbers from 1 to 25. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on up to 24 and so on up to 24. So 2 into 1, 4 is 2 into 2, 6 is 2 into 3, 24 is 2 into 12, 2 into 12, 12 is 2 is multiplied 12 times, so 2 power 12 into 1 into 2 into 3 to 12 is 12 factorial. So total I got 2 power 12 into 12 factorial. It is 2 power 12 into 12 if I take for 2. 2 6s are 2, 2 3s are 2 1s are 2 power 10. 5 it will be 5 2s are 10, 5 square. So m is nothing but 2 power 22 into 5 square into k. First write down this. M is nothing but 2 power 22 into 2 power 22 into 5 power 2 into 8. Till here clear, right? This is only for m. Why the star mark? In this question you will realize that number of zeros at the end is not always the highest power of 5. M is 2 power 12 into 12 factorial. This is what we got for m. Now n also we have to write. So I am taking a new slide, sir. M is nothing but 2 power 22 into, how much we got? 2 power 22 into 5 square into k, which is nothing but product of all even numbers till 25. 2 4 6 8 till 24, which is m. What is n value given? N is the product of odd numbers till 200. 27, 29, 31, 33, 35. Now and so on up to 199. What do we require? M into n gives dash number of zeros at the end. Number of zeros at the end means only 5 and 2 I require, that's all. So I will not take all this, only 5 I will take. 35. Next is 45. Next is 55. Next 65. Next 75. Next 85. Next 95. Next 105. Next 115. Next 125. 135. 145. 155. 165, 175, 185, 195. Only these numbers I will take. Powers of 2 anyway it is not there. So if you observe closely, listen carefully, sir, to this question. I require number of 5s. 35 5 into 7 plus 1. 45 plus 1. 55 is 5 into 11. 65 is 5 into 13. This is 75 is 25 into 3. This is plus 1. This is plus 1. This is also plus 1. This is plus 1. This is 5 cube. It is plus 3. It is plus 1. 5 into 20 plus 1 is for this. 5 into 27. 45. It is plus 1. 55. 5 into 31 plus 1. 5 into 33 plus 1. 25 into 7 plus 2. 85 it is plus 1. 195 it is plus 1. So how many I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 21. N is nothing but 5 power 21 into K2. 5 power 21 into K2. M into N I require. M is nothing but 2 power 22 into 5 power 2 into K into 5 power 21 into K2. 21 plus 2 is 23. Which is lowest? 2 is lowest. The classic problem which explains number of zeros at the end is not always the power of 5. Number of zeros at the end is not always the power of 5. Today in this case we got it as power of 2. In this question, please put a star mark on this question, sir. Again I am explaining. M is the product of all even numbers from 2 to 25, 2, 4, 6, 8 till 24, which is nothing but 2 power 22 into 5 power 2 into k. N is product of all odd numbers. All odd numbers from 26 to 200. Odd numbers I took 27, 29, 31, 33, 35. But because I require number of zeros at the end, I require only 2 and 5. So 2 anyway will not come in odd number. I took it as a multiple of 5, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95, 105, 115, 125, 135, 145, 155, 165, 175, 185, 195. 35 is 5 into 7. 1 power of 5 will be there. 45 is 5 into 9. 55 is 5 into 11. 65 is 5 into 13. 75 is 5 into 15. 85 is 5 into 17. 95 is 5 into 19. 105 is 5 into 21. 115 is 5 into 23. 125 is 5 into 25. So here I got two cases, 25 into 3, 25 into 5, 25 into 7. So there I got two cases. Is this question clear to you? Number of 5s, powers of 5 is smaller. Here in this case. Any doubt in this question? Any doubt in this question? Kindly reply in the live chat if this question is clear to you. Is this question clear? Clear, right? Now, next let us discuss few questions based upon this logic. This we have not discussed. We will discuss it little later. What all questions that we discussed? These all the third session slides. I think here you can solve one by one. Find the number of trailing zeros in 100 factorial. 5 20s are 100, 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 4 is 24. 50 is nothing but 5 10s are 50, 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. 20 is nothing but 5 4s are 20. Answer is 4. Lalit, where it is not clear, beta? I hope these three are very clear to you. Where it is not clear, specify. You want me to go back to that question? Which question you want? The same question? Are you referring to this question? You want me to explain again? How many students want me to explain again? How many students want me to explain this question again? M is nothing but 2 power 22 into 5 power 2 into k. This is M. N is product of all odd numbers. Odd number I don't require 41, 43. Number of zeros, it is dependent on 2 and 5. 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95, 105, 115, 125, 135, 145, 155, 165, 175, 185, 195. Till here it is clear, right? This can be written as 35 as 5 into 7, 45 as 5 into 9, 55 as 5 into 11, 65 as 5 into 13, 75 as 25 into 3, 85 as 5 into 17, 95 as 5 into 19, 105 as 5 into 21, 115 5 into 23, 125 is 5 cube, again it is 5 into 27, 5 into 29, 5 into 31, 5 into 33. I hope you are all there with me. 25 into 7, 5 into 37, 5 into 39. Till here clear? This is where I wrote plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, here 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20, 21. N is nothing but 5 power 21 into K2. If I multiply M into N, 2 power 22 into 5 power 2 into K into 5 power 21 into K. 23, 22. What is the lowest? 22. Now I am sure it is clear to you. Now I am sure it is clear to you. Now I am sure it is clear to you. Is it clear? Is it clear? Idea clear? Idea clear, right? Now, Venkatramana, I hope it is clear, right? Lalit, I hope it is clear, right? Rohan Beta, I hope it is clear, right? Idea is clear? Now let us go back to few more questions. This is all session number 3. Session number 3 will be a very interesting high level question, sir. Now, these also we discussed. N factorial ends with 24 zeros. N is greater than 4x. N is greater than 96. What is the multiple of 5 just greater than 96? 100. 5 20s are 5 4s are. What is 20 plus 4? 24. So 100 will give you answer. 101 will give you. 102 will give you. 103 will give you. 104 will give you. How many values total? 5 values it will give. Total 5 values it will give. N greater than 4x. N greater than 96. What is the multiple of 5 greater than 96? 100. 5 20s are 5 4s are. So 100, 101, 102, 103, 104. Total 5 values I will get. Whatever we discussed, I am discussing that questions. Find the number of zeros at the end in. N is nothing but 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 and so on up to 500, which is nothing but 500 factorial. In 500 factorial, number of trailing zeros, only in factorials, number of trailing zeros is nothing but the highest power of 5. Is nothing but the highest power of 5. So answer is nothing but 500 divided by 5. 500s are, 520s are, 54s are. Answer is nothing but 124. Idea clear, right? 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 till 500, which is 500 factorial. 500 divided by 5. 500s are, 520s are, 54s are. 124. Very easy question. Find the number of zeros at the end in. What is the number present? 2 into 4 into 6 into 8 and so on up to 250, which is nothing but 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6 and so on up to 2 125s are 250. 2 is multiplied 125 times 2 power 125 into 1 into 2 into 3 till 125. till 125, which is nothing but 2 power 125 into 125 factorial. In 125 how many 5s are there? 5 25s are, 5 5s are, 5 1s are. So which is 31. Anyway it will be greater 2 power 125 into 2 power x into 5 power 31 into k. So answer for this question is 31. Idea clear, right? Number of, if the factorial is there, if only factorial is there, number of zeros at the end is nothing but highest power of 5. Number of zeros at the end is nothing but highest power of 5. Idea clear? Next one. Find the number of zeros in 1357, 13579. Again 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. Again 191, 193, 195, 197, 199. Number of zeros at the end is nothing but the highest power of 10. 10 is nothing but 2 and 5. 2 should be there, 5 should be there. All are odd numbers. So answer is no zero at the end. I hope the idea is clear. No zero at the end. All are odd numbers. To get the highest power of 10, you should get 2 and 5. There is no 2 in the question. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. No zero at the end. Clear, right? Next one. Idea clear, right? Once you know the concept, these are all very, very easy questions. N factorial ends with 17 zeros. N is greater than 4x. Already we discussed. N is greater than 4x. N is greater than 68. I think the same question we have already solved it. 5 14s are, 5 2s are. 14 plus 2, 16. 75 is 5 15s are, 5 3s are. 16 to 18. 17 is not possible. No value of n factorial ends with 17 zeros. No value of n factorial ends with 17 zeros. Idea clear, right? Still there are some more questions. Let us do these questions. Which of the following cannot be the number of trailing zeros? Trailing zeros means zeros at the end. What is the concept? If you don't know this concept, in regular textbook this concept is not shown. N is greater than 4x. Let me put the first option. N is greater than 4 into 48. N is greater than 192. What is the multiple of 5 greater than 192? 195. 5 3s are, 5 9s are. 5 7s are. 5 1s are. 39 plus 7, 46 plus 1, 47. I got 47. 200. 5 40s are 200. 5 8s are 40. 5 1s are 5. I got 49. 47 to 49. Directly there is a jump from 47 to 49. 48 not possible. 48 not possible. I hope it is clear. 48 not possible. 49 it is possible. For 200, 201, 202, 203, 204. 47 it is possible. For 195, 196, 197, 198, 199. 50. N is greater than 4x. N is greater than 200. So if I take the next multiple of 200, 205, 540 ones are, 5 eights are, 5 ones are, 50 also possible. 50 also possible. Which all numbers? 205, 206, 207, 208, 209. Which answers? What is the answer for this question? It never ends with 48. Very important class, sir. Very important class. I hope you are all there with me. Number of zeros at the end. What is the condition? N factorial ends with x zeros. So then n is always greater than 4x. Then n is always greater than 4x. Then n is always greater than 4x. These are all very easy questions. Number of trailing zeros. 150 factorial plus 200 factorial, which is 150 factorial. If I take common, if I take 150 factorial common, 1 plus 200, 199 and so on up to 151 I will get. Are you all with me? Remaining is 150 factorial. This is divisible by 5. Divisible by, this is divisible by 5. 5 plus 1. That means bracket is not never divisible by 5. Bracket is never divisible by 5. Bracket is never divisible by 5. 150 factorial. How many zeros are there at the end? 5 30s are, 5 6s are, 5 1s are. Answer is nothing but 37. Idea clear, right? 150 factorial if I take 150 factorial if I take common, 1 plus 200, 199, 198 and so on up to 151. That means this entire number is divisible by 5. 5 plus 1 means 5k plus 1. 5k plus 1 is never divisible by 5. 150 factorial. 5 30s are, 5 6s are, 5 1s are. 30 plus 6 plus 1. Answer is nothing but 37. Answer is nothing but 37. Find the number of trailing zeros in 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 100. If I take 10, 10 into 2, 10 into 3, 10 into 4, 10 into 5, 10 into 6, 10 into 7, 10 into 8, 10 into 10, 10 into 10. Totally how many tens we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 10 power 8. What is the remaining number? 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 into 10. This is the remaining number. So here it is 10 power 8. 2 into 5 is 110. Here another 10 is there. Remaining number is 3 into 4 into 6 into 7 into 8. This will not give me power of 10. 10 plus 10 power 1 into 10 power 1 is 10 power 2. So 10 power 8 plus 2. 10 power 10. Answer is nothing but 10. Answer is nothing but 10. I hope the idea is clear. The second class is primarily driven on the fact that how to find out the number of trailing zeros. N factorial ends with x zeros. N is greater than 4x. N factorial ends with x zeros. Then n is greater than 4x. I hope the idea is clear. Idea is clear. Any more similar questions are there? These are all advanced level. Today evening we are going to discuss. Today evening all these high level questions which we are going to discuss. We will do one more question. Which of the following can be the number of trailing zeros at the end of any factorial? What is the concept? N factorial ends with x zeros. Then n is greater than 4x. N factorial ends with x zeros. Then n is greater than 4x. Suppose if I take 63, n is greater than 4 into 63, n is greater than 252. What is the multiple of 5 greater than 252? 255. 5 5s are 5 1s are 5 10s are 5 2s are 51 plus 1 61 plus 2 63. It is possible. That means this is possible for 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. These are all are possible. Next is B option. 68. N is greater than 4x. N is greater than 4 into 68. 272. If I take 275, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 5 11s are 5 2s are 66, 68. It is also possible. 275 to 279. 279. This is possible. This is possible. Next, n is 70, 80 we will take. N is greater than 320. If I take what is the multiple of 5 greater than 320? 5 6 are, 5 5s are, 5 13s are, 5 2s are, 78, 80. This is possible. Next, take n is greater than 74. 4 into 74. N is greater than 296. If I take 300, 60, 12, 2. All are possible. Answer is all of this. Answer is all of this. When we got 63 and 68 only, we can say option A and B are satisfying. So answer will be all of this. Answer will be all of this. When two options are satisfying, then only we can say that the answers are all of this. I hope they are all with me. N factorial ends with x zeros, then n is greater than 4x. N factorial ends with x zeros, then n is greater than 4x. This is the concept. This you can solve it. This is a take home question. You can solve it little later. This is a take home question, similar model. What is the concept? N is greater than 4x. Then n is greater than 4x. This is a session 3, session 3, session 3. This is also session 3. I think this you can solve it easily. These 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 125s are 500. 4 is multiplied 125 times. 4 power 125 into 125 factorial. So these is nothing but 2 square power 125 into 125 factorial. 125, how many 5s are there? 5 25s are, 5 5s are, 5 1s are. 5 power 31 into 125 2s, how many are there? 262s are, 231s are, 215s are, 27s are, 23s are, 21s are. 11, 26, 26, 57, 119. 2 power 119. So obviously it will be, answer will be for the lowest one. Lowest one answer is 31. Variety of questions. Right after the class, I think during the break, there are few students who has purchased the course. Access also is given. Access also is given in case if you want this kind of structured way of learning. One time buying the course useful for multiple times. In case if you want this kind of course, you can message me right after the class. Message me. Few students in the first session got close to 25% discount. Those who asked for it, I gave it. Those who are not asking for it, right, in case you can go to website and buy it at the price which is there in the website. Next one. I think these also you can solve it. Number of trailing zeros in. 3 1s are, 3 2s are, 3 3s are. 3 3s are, 3 4s are, 3 120s are. So it is nothing but 3 power 120 into 120 factorial, which is 3 power 120 into number of trailing zeros means for factorial I just require for 5. 5 24s are, 5 4s are. 5 power 28 into 2 will be something x. It will be more. Answer is 28. Answer is 28. Session 3 will be a very advanced level question. Session 3 will be a very advanced level concept. Session 3. These are all session 3 questions. Session 3. Session 3. Session 3 we are session 3. Session 3 will be there at Session 3 will be there from 5:30 to 7 p.m. Session 3 will be there from 5:30 to 7 p.m. I got an important message. I need to go out and attend. Those people who are mentoring is pending, those students who purchased it, right? I will do the mentoring at 7. So we are running late. Please cooperate. Charu, we will have a mentoring session at 7 o'clock. 5:30 to 7. This is session 3. Interested students, old students, you want to buy these 80 hours special Anil Nayar's 2019 YouTube live classes. YouTube live classes. You can WhatsApp me right now 80500678991. Right? Any student who is preparing for CAT or a bank or an SSC, CAT, bank or an SSC or placements. Morning I gave, if you ask me, I'll give morning about 6 students have purchased it with 25% discount. Kindly don't buy it in the website. Kindly don't buy it in the website. Kindly don't buy it in the website. 80500678991. This number, if you contact, this is my personal number. I will be available till 3:30 p.m. on calls. 3:30 p.m. on calls. Students who purchase it, CAT, bank, SSCR placements, don't buy it out in the website. There is a special 25% discount. 25% discount which I am offering it. Old students can also purchase, or you can call 8296989020. 8296. In case if you want these upgraded package, this class will not be available after the class is over. Pick your phone and give a call and buy the course so that you can make your dreams come true. We offer courses on this 4. The hottest selling course is a CAT course. CAT course every day close to 5 to 10 students purchase it because we give the maximum number of videos in the CAT course. In case if you are an old student, if you want this new Anil Nayar's YouTube live class package, new YouTube live class package, you can message me or you can message. Thanks a lot. Again we will meet up at 5:30 p.m. Aravind, please WhatsApp Aravind. Anusha, please WhatsApp. Please WhatsApp. You can directly message me. Please WhatsApp. I am getting lot of messages. Right? Please WhatsApp. I think 4 students. You can learn any subject, anywhere, any place, and on the go. Come, let us go the other way learning, download our revolutionary app for free.